in regards to this issue, I was always wondered, how does a person do Shechitah to a kosher wild animal? For example, the person is into hunting, he hunts a deer. Does he have to trap it first?
Yes,
And do Shechitah, or?
Yeah. Trap it first with the nets, right? So you cannot trap in this in other things like sometimes I forget what is it called, like metal things. I mean the word escapes me, but basically, yeah, you cannot damage the animal, so it has to be complete. So it cannot be like broken bones or something, right? So with nets. But today, what they do, they actually farm like the deers, like on deer farms and the bisons. So, for example, like not for where I live, they sell bison meat. I mean, first when we saw the advertisement, I said, "Wow, let's try to buy it." We bought it. I don't know. I didn't like. I mean, it's very lean, like tasteless. I don't know, like. Maybe we don't know how to cook it, but I did not like it. So, and of course, it's they're not wild. They have farms. They have farms, and same. I saw the deer farm also. Very interesting. So these deers, like they're wild, but they domesticated.